In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under chemical industry. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 particular questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, chemicals that are produced in small quantities and with very high degree of purity are fine chemicals. Option C. Very important. The next particular question with this one, it says copper 2 tetraoxole sulfate 6 is often added to swimming pools because it prevents the growth of algae, neutralizes dissolved gases in water, reacts with any excess chlorine present, coagulates suspended particles. So the right answer is it prevents the growth of algae. Very important. The next question in this one, it says which of the following raw materials is used in the plastic industry? So it's 18, guys. Option A. That's the right answer. Next question is this one. It says consider the reaction below. So we have this reaction. The reaction is applied in the manufacture of, so it's used in the manufacture of margarine, guys. Very important. So that's the right answer. Option A. Next question will be this one. It says charcoal is used in the colorization of sugar because of its absorption property, oxidizing property, amorphous property. So the right answer to this question will be option A, because of its absorption property. Very important, guys. So that's it for this question. The next question with this one, it says doing water treatment for tank supply, water is passed through layers of seed beds in order to destroy the germs in the water, decolorize the water, filter the water, soften the water. So the right answer is option A, in order to filter the water. Very important. The next question with this one, it says which of the following substances cannot be classified as heavy chemical? So the one is this option C, this compound in option C. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question with this one, it says the following substances are heavy chemicals except, so the one that is an exception is this lead 4 tetraethyl. Alright, so that's the answer. This option B. The next question is this one. It says which of the following substances can be classified as heavy chemicals? So the obvious answer here is option A, tetraoxole sulfate acid. Next question will be this one. It says the ammonium compound used in the manufacture of dry cells is ammonium chloride. Option D. That's it for this question. Let's play question with this one. So guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. This question says which of the following substance is an example of fine chemical? So the right answer is option D, which is ethylene. Very important. The next question is this one. It says chemicals that are produced in small quantities and with very high degree of purity are fine chemicals. Option C. That's the right answer. The next question with this one, it says which of the following compound is a soapless detergent? So the right answer to this question will be our option A, this compound in option A. Take note of this question, guys. Very important. The next question with this one, it says a factor that is considered most important when citing a chemical industry is we have availability of storage facilities, nearness to the other industrial establishments, favorable climate conditions, nearness to raw materials. So guys, all these factors are important, but the most important one here is option D, nearness to raw materials. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question with this one, it says wine containing 8% to 17% ethanol can be converted to gin containing about 40% ethanol by distillation. Option B. So that's the answer. The next question with this one, it says which of the following statements about fine chemical is correct? It has low degree of purity. No, it's injurious to health. Which of the following is correct? No, can be stored for a long time. No, is produced in relatively small amount. Yeah, so the right answer is option D. Next question is this one. It says the key factor to be considered in citing chemical industry is, I think I would answer this question. Favorable climate conditions. No, not key factor. We have its nearness to other industrial establishments not key factor. Its nearness to the source of raw materials, yes, that's a key factor. Option C. That's it for this question. The next subject question with this one, it says the energy value of petrol can be determined by a catalytic cracker, fractionating column, thermometer, bomb calorimeter. Right answer is option D, bomb calorimeter. Very important. Next question with this one, it says which of the following processes does not involve the use of limestone? We have manufacture of tetraoxide surfaces, acid by contact process, production of cement, production of washing soda by solvay process, extraction of iron in the blast furnace. So the right answer is option A, manufacture of tetraoxide surfaces, acid by contact process, does not involve the use of limestone. So that's it for this question. The last question we have here before I end this video with this one, it says an advantage of detergent over soap is that detergents are readily available and in powder form, are non-biodegradable, lather readily with water. So the right answer is option D, lather readily with water. So guys, this basically can do problems involving chemical industry for your WASSCE chemistry practice with about 18 to 20 questions in this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.